Hi guys, this is the Java series part 80. Now let's discuss about how to get the information about the file using the file inbuilt class. Okay, first I import file class. F must be capital. And this is my class name, test file info. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I create the object for file class. New is the keyword to create the memory for F object during the execution of the program, and file parameter constructor. Inside the round brackets, I pass the path of the file. Text to file. Now, I use the while loop. Inside the file object, we have the exist method. Okay. So now I use the object for file class to call that method. F object dot exist method. Okay. So this method returns Boolean value. If it returns true, this file is exist inside the D drive. If it returns false, this file is not present inside the D drive. Okay. So now system.out.println the file name. Concatenation symbol. My object name FOBJ dot get name method. Okay. Likewise, I copy this statement, print absolute path of the given specified file. I use the get absolute path. Okay, this is the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. This method returns the absolute path of the specified file. Okay, and then writable. Is this writable or not? How can I check? Inside the file class we have the can write inbuilt method. With the help of that method, we can check whether this file is writable or not. Okay. So, what method? Can write method. Okay. And I want to check whether the specified file is readable or not. Okay. So, what can I do? We have the method. What method? Can read method is present inside the file class. So we can use that method. Okay. Can read. So this method returns Boolean value again. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay. And I change the output statement. And the size of the file. How can I get? Using the length method. Okay, this is also the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. Okay, this method returns the byte size of the specified file. Okay, and if the specified file is not present, the exists method return the false. At the time the control comes here, else block. Okay, so the file does not exist. Okay, so if we want to know the file information, we can use the file class. Okay, inside the file class we have so many inbuilt methods. From that methods we can use, okay, whatever we need. Here I have used the getName method, get absolute path, can write, can read and length. Okay, getName method returns the name of the specified file. Get absolute path returns the path of the specified file. Can write method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is writable. Okay, it returns false if the specified file is not writable. Okay, likewise can read method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, if it returns false means the specified file is not a readable one. Okay, length returns the byte size of the given specified file. Got it? Okay, here we have the error message. Okay, here I have to give the if, not while. Okay, decision making statement only we have to implement here. So if it returns false only, the control comes here and the else block will be executed. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute the program. GetName returns av.text file and get absolute path returns the path of the file D drive ab text, and can write method returns true. We can write, and can read method returns true, so we can read, and the length of the given file is 35. Okay, this is the byte size. Got it? Okay, you go and check. So what content inside the AB text, inside the D drive AB. Good morning, welcome to my home. This is my content. Okay, so we got 35. This is the size of the file. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.